Hello, in this session, we are going to discuss about tessellation. What does it mean by tessellation? Please consider the following examples. So here we have several objects. Some of them are tessellation while others are not tessellation. From these pictures, what do you notice about the properties of tessellation? Please pause the video if you need more time to figure out what does it mean by tessellation by observing the given pictures. So tessellation is covering the surface with the same objects. You cannot have a gap and you cannot have overlapping object. What is the rule that can help you to copy and paste one object into whole surface? Let's consider this object. In this picture, we have a repeated pattern from a horse, so we can call it a horse tessellation. The horse here become the basic pattern, the unit that we repeat, like we copy it and then paste it until all of the surface is covered by the same figure. What kind of figure that will enable you to do tessellation? You will be surprised that the horse itself is firstly come from a basic square like this. And after that, we cut a part of the square and we move it to the upper side. And then we cut another part and move it to the lower side. Continue the process by cut and move until we got the complete picture of the horse. After that, you still have the same square, but now it has been transformed into the horse. And if you copy-paste the horse, you will be able to cover all of area of your surface. What kind of transformation that enable you to perform tessellation? The transformation here have to preserve the geometrical properties of the object, including the distance between 2 points and the angle between 2 sides. Here, there are 4 types of transformation that will work. There are translation, reflection, rotation, and glide reflection. Look at the following tessellation, the anatomy of an azure lizard tessellation, which is very famous. You will be surprised that the lizard is come from hexagons, which is transformed into the lizard shape. So we start with a hexagon, and then we are doing the cut, moving, cutting and moving movement until we get a lizard form. Check out what kind of transformation performed in the hexagon until it can be transformed into a lizard. You can add some features to make your lizard become more like a lizard. And after that, you can copy-paste the lizard until you covering all of the surface area. Very nice, right? You can repeat this process and then figure out what others that you can do if you want to tessellate an object. Please work on your textbook.